Now we're going to do the complicated method for working out a cell size. And I've made this a trickier question for you. Now we know at times 40, the field of view is 4,200 microns. But now I change the objective lens and my total magnification now is times 100. I've gone from times 40 to times 100 total magnification. Yep, so it's gone up by 2.5. So the field of view will go down by 2.5. Do you remember what the field of view was at times 100?
680.
1680. So we now know that the field of view is 1680 micrometers. Yep. Now I've got a different cell. Okay, there's my cell. Now in this case, you'll need a ruler. All right. So the first thing we need to do is measure the distance from this side to this side on a diagram. Okay. So actually measure. So if I measured on a diagram the distance from this side to this side and it was 10 centimeters. Yep. What does that 10 centimeters represent? It represents the field of view, which we now know is 1680 micrometers. Yep. So we can write this mathematical equation. We can say that 10 centimeters equals 1680 micrometers. Yes? Now, what we'll do is with our ruler, we will measure the distance or the width of that cell. Okay? And I'll just say, if I measured it with a ruler, I said it was 2 centimeters. Okay? And then I want to work out X. I want to work out its real size. Okay? As long as I've got centimeters on centimeters and micrometers on micrometers, I'll be fine. Got to start off with centimeters on centimeters and micrometers on micrometers. Everything will be fine. Now we can interchange the numbers. Yep. Now there's a long-winded way of working it out mathematically, but the shortcut is if it's down the bottom and goes over the other side, it goes up the top. So if I'm trying to keep X by itself, Robbie, do you want to come around here so you can see? You'll be fine? Okay. So I want to keep X by itself. It's over 1680, which is down the bottom here, and I'm going to move it across the other side, therefore it's going to go to the top. There is a mathematical rationale about this, but it's long-winded, and I'm just teaching you a shortcut. Okay? So I can rewrite this as being X in micrometers equals 2 times 1680 divided by 10. Just believe me, you can do it. Okay? If I was doing this mathematically, if I was in a maths class, I'd go through all the steps and be really confusing, but this simple way works. Okay? I'm going to take the 1680, put it across the other side, and because it's on the bottom here, it goes on the top up here. All right? So, now X, 2 times 1680. People with fingers and calculators?
4,200.
Someone got a calculator? Sorry? 3,200. 3360. Right. 3360 divided by 10. Okay? Sorry? 0 divided by 10 is going to be X.
336 equals X.
Equals 336?
336.
Yeah. I was just waiting for people to catch up. And I didn't want to hit you with the answer straight away. All right. So X is 336 micrometers. All right, I'll do another example. Are you ready? It's very slippery there. All right. Right. We'll do this one at times 400. Okay, so here's another example. That's a great transition.
Sorry. That's my bad.
So, here's another cell. All right? And I want to know how long that cell is. So I want to know how long from there to there is. Okay? So this is a picture. The first thing we do, we're going to use our ruler. When I measure from one side to the other, how many centimeters did it take up?
10.
10 again.
Did it?
I don't know, you're telling me.
What?
It's your picture.
20.
20. That's a big picture.
10.
10 again.
Yes.
15.
10. It's the easiest one.
7.
And let's just do 10.
But let's do 12 then.
7.
No place.
7.
Jamila.
All right. So I can write a rule now. If I've measured it from this side to this side on my picture, got to be goes completely through the middle. What do you call that?
Diameter.
Who?
Diameter.
The diameter. Well done. The diameter is 7 centimeters, and we know that's going to represent 420 microns. We know that's going to represent 420 microns. Okay? Then I get out my ruler again and I measure the distance from one side of the cell to the other side of the cell. And what did that measure?
10.
It can't measure 10 if the field of view is 7 and that this is inside the field of view. It can't be 10. 3?
4.
Who thinks 3?
4.
All right, who thinks 4? Oh, it's 4 it is. All right. So now 4 centimeters equals X microns. Okay? Right. So now I want X by itself. It's down the bottom over here. I'm going to put it at the top over the other side of the equal sign. Explicit education. Just do what I say. Okay? So now it becomes X is 420 times 4 divided by 7. And the answer to that is?
Sienna.
The answer is Sienna.
Yeah.
Luca? What's 420 times 4 is 1680.
Oh, I thought it was.
It's 240? So X now, the length of the cell is 240 micrometers.